Tradition? What? Coming to the issue of tradition, I would like the world to see the daughter of the vice chancellor going hungry. You know? Is it possible?
No, Dad. Daddy, I want just for provisions. The last time, even though you gave her rice cruises, I don't mind. I want a fun, Samsung fun precise.
Samsung? No.
Yeah.
Samsung is very costly. You know, one Samsung can buy 2 things. So, and there is this very beautiful latest model techno iPhone.
Hey, Daddy, you're coming in with your treats. I don't want tech. I want Samsung.
You said?
Is it necessary?
No, he's a senior girl now.
You can say
Hey, Angela.
Seriously, I don't think I need anything. I still have my position and my phone is still good. Just pay my school fees now.
Thank you. I have a good girl. Thank you. You see this girl?
Daddy, I'm waiting for provision. Can you please use it to get me clothes, shoes, and I want a human hair.
Is it? I'm money. Preparation. America girl.
No,
Yes.
I'll be not taking you to America.
Yeah.
But for now, I want a human hair. Daddy, that's just latest can. I saw it in Twitter. No, in Instagram. My friend's phone. Jim Basic, you're going to school.
Oh.
Did you read that?
No. Let me tell you, every one of you, if you pass the good result, I will do whatever you ask. And if you don't do that, you will come to the field. No.
But it seems everybody here is making a choice and ordering things. I guess I'm exceptional.
No.
My son.
You are the only son I have. So whatever I have is yours. You don't have to fight with them here. All of them will go. Very soon now I will be collecting money.
Dad, please, I can get some.
They better go. They are just
Oh,
short.
wait.
Stop that.
Please, don't mind that. Okay. Daddy, I have something to say. Mommy, I have something to say. Hello. I want to make a confession. Someone in this house is keeping your meat. Yes or no?
I guess you
I will be here and they will sell me. I don't know.
Ezeke, what in the happen? The line just tell me switched off. Maybe her phone battery they low. Her phone they low. Jennifer battery they low. When you know say today me and I get waka to one lecturer for her carryover. Jennifer get carryover for this campus. One lecturer when they fear face. When they hear my name, they give my girl carryover. No, the lecturer they craze. I don't know say Jenny na your girl for this campus. My guy, I go there. See that lecturer, I go kick him ass pretty nice. You go understand my name for this campus. Chai, silencer. You know how they be now. Tell me and Jennifer don't work for this campus for the past 5 months. So where everything, where they breathe, between the 4 corner walls of this campus, you know. They know say that you attach him. They know. So the man won't try me. He don't call me, and I go answer that. That's so. He go see. Give my girl carry. The silencer, the executioner of the black cats, the kingmaker, the chukuchuku precipitation. Now you know the two. I bet Pina. You know something. Now you they drop my name. You go they move to my top. You understand? They come to my media. Now you be the silencer. If you back, nobody is a silent. That man, that lecturer. He go down. There has never been a rain without the ground knowing about it. So virus and Isikaba, who are the heat that claimed the lives of 2 of my men. I hate repeating myself. If I dare repeat myself again, I'll kill someone I will bury. Now start talking.
My executioner. I think those guys were actually acting on our interest. But unfortunately, they took the wrong time. I'm sorry.
You see that? You're spinning a yarn. For all I care, virus, you're spinning a garden yarn. Now, Isikaba, come on, spin your own yarn. Tell me what happened. Who are the hit on our rival that claimed life of 2 of my men? It's okay. Dodorima for you. So, that's all you can say. That's all you can give me for an answer. Now listen up. For the very last time, I'm alarming this as a warning to every black cat. If such should repeat itself, I'm going to do something that I will live to regret. If it happens again, then I'll make you understand the meaning of my name. Silencer. Ah! Friends! I want to be alone.
Silencer. Silencer.
I'm going to play my wing. And I don't care what happens to anything in 2 legs under the sun. When I can cut my mother's throat for my personality. When I can kill my father to uphold the honor of black cats. Then imagine what I can do to you dogs.
Rugged, I am a rugged material. If I disobey you, supreme my executive, I beg make you know vex. I'm rugged. You're my point one. A rugged man, a rugged man, a rugged man, a rugged man. A popo man, a popo man, a popo man, a popo man. You know before size, oh. A rugged man, a rugged man, a popo man, a popo man. A rugged man, a rugged man.
What the hell is wrong with Jennifer now? This is quite unlike her. Having her phone switched off when she knew we have a date. Oh, goddamn. God. What? No. 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 No.
Hey, go inside. I can't go inside. My executioner, these people don't do. They don't do, I swear. They kill Scooby. We'll talk. They kill Noni. You say make we keep quiet. They kill Ebwe. They kill Chaplet. We don't do anything. They still kill Ebwe. We don't retaliate. Now they still go straight to your babe. Our stepmama. Stepmother where would they see? Without minding the kind of fury we can unleash. They don't send our venom. Now your babe, 9 day rape. Rape finish, kill him on top. You don't reach when you don't reach, we say we go ask them. We think you're a problem. If they cannot. They can. I'm not crying because I want to cry. I'm not shedding tears because I'm a weakling. But see these tears, why they drop like this? I they cry for their mama because of how we unleash. It go touch every angle. Their relation, uncle, brother, anybody will be. I don't see my tears are expensive. It's priceless. Cairo. Why do you call this number?
I hope you got my message.
You're messing with the wrong guy, Caesar. Touching my girl is stepping on time bomb.
And so was my cousin. When the VC paid you and your boys to eliminate my cousin, you shouldn't have taken the job. So you see, it's an eye for an eye. Your girlfriend, she was just a collateral damage.
Hey, listen up, my friend. I know what you want. And I got what you want. You want war. You're gonna get war.
Oh, you're still planning. How you been in Amu? The Red King has started.
Ezekiel, Dodolima for you. Dodolima for you, Ezekiel.
Your father is busy. Your father is busy. Shut up! Only him. Only all of them. Help me. Shut up. Hey! This is AK49 position. Come inside. I will polish you. When I get more, eh? You play with me. What is serious? Don't move. Quiet. Don't move. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Caesar, Archangel of Death. But you survive or you die. Depends on your father. Okay.
Let's just go right there.
You shut up! My first one, the cop. Look at me. Behind you, AK49. I'm going to run now! Forward! On my right hand side is cross and down. From my point one. These are not your everyday friends. What am I doing? Now, like I said, father. Right? Yeah. You survive or you die. All depends on him. So don't hold anything against me. I don't have anything against you. As for me, you go home and see. That depends on your father! Sure! I have to make a call.
Shut up, fear my control is capping, you are talking. My control is capping and you are talking.
Now shut your eyes. Close your eyes, all of you. Close, you want to see God? You want to see God?
Who is this?
My name is Caesar, the Archangel of Death. I'm sure you've heard of this name, but unfortunately we've not met one-on-one. But that's okay. I believe we're going to meet pretty soon.
Why are you calling this line?
If I were you, I'll show some respect.
Why should I show respect to a cultist, a murderer? Let me tell you, the blood of innocent children you murdered, you will pay with your own blood.
I could say the same to you, for all the people you've killed too. But that is not why I called you. I called you because I have 3 of your daughters in my possession. And I have a demand. My first demand is this. Silencer, your messenger of death. I want him to graduate from this institution and leave this school for me. Secondly, you, the VC of this institution, should resign from your office. Or better still, just die. I don't care how you do it, just find a way and die. Now listen, if by tomorrow you are still the VC of this school, I am going to parcel one of your daughters to you, dead.
Sir, look into my eyes while I give you my words, because eyes don't lie. Don't worry. I will bring your family back unharmed.
Silencer, how are you going to bring them back for me? And you heard him say that if by tomorrow I'm still the VC in the school, that he's going to send the body of my daughter to me. What do you expect me to do? He even insisted that you must leave the school.
I don't mind those empty threats. It's just a garden bluff. He'll do no such thing. I will intercept him. Trust me.
Okay, let me agree with you. But when are you bringing my family?
Sir, listen to me once again. Don't worry. I know what to do.
But remember that he said by tomorrow that he will kill my daughter. And I don't want that to happen. Eh?
Sir, you're worrying for nothing. I know what to do. Trust me.
Yes, detective. Please, I want to see you. It's urgent, man. Please. Okay, when are you coming? No, it's alright. Please. It's a very serious matter.
Let's do this! You cocksucker bastards! Why the hell are you running? No. Set them up for this man. No. We don't have to. Because I bet you are taking the girls off line of fire. They will hurt them. Okay? Puppies. Choir master, why not go sing again? Choir master. Let's just make a test of my attention. Come on. Make a test this way. Get my position.
Silencer. I can hear you. Please tell me, my family said. They moved my family away. How? I don't understand. Yes, how? What does that mean?
My G1, Machine Gun Pereira. The other VC thinks that we're joking. He's a bastard! He sent his messengers to us. How? Send him in this. Rocket! Rocket! Now, get up.
No, sir.
Hey! Move! What if you move? Get that one! No! Get up! Hey! Hey! Move! Come on, smile! Smile like this! Ayos! Ayos! Hey, come here!
See, by tomorrow, Tracy, I don't want to see that tortoise of power. The ordinary Japon, and you call silence. Get it. Why? Even you, automatic resignation. Confirm. Resign as they prepare his expulsion letter, informing the Senate, informing all authorities. Make sure you resign forthwith. Is that clear? You don't hear?
You're just a clock. You have no power to tell me what to do. You don't have that authority.
Great Red King.
Oh.
Great Red King.
Oh.
Disaster. My other bastard.
Want that.
Hey, Karisuma. Hey, no. Hey, why you watching? Find woman. Leave a find woman, make it feel.
Please.
No!
Oh!
Father criminal, thunder go fire to Okolosi. AK49 was 009 Beijing Company. Nigga, TMO, this I don't play with you here. We stop for camera for you in your mouth. I'm going to one day. I'm going to one day. See, if that is not done, I will make sure I bring the particles of the remaining daughter with us. Cut that into pieces. Great Kings, rises faster.
You've crossed and died.
That's all.
See you again.
Rise up!
I could bust you.
That's all.
Rise up!
Until you get away again, you can love you.
Come in face, make I see.
Look at it.
Come in face, make I see.
Let's say you told this.
Give me face, make I see. Hold me face. Jesus Christ. Great Kings!
I'm very sorry, but don't worry. They will soon be apprehended. I fixed my best men in the search. I promise you, your wife and your other daughter will be fine. You know, this is our job. It's the only job we know how to do best. So trust me. Okay? Let me go and join them in the search. I will give you a call as soon as I get them. It's all right. All right? It's okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Oh well, sir. Shit happens in a bullshit world. I'm sorry about everything. What? Letter of expulsion? So you want me out of the school?
You have
Okay.
I will report you to the police. I'm not going that. I will reveal to the your true identity.
Wait, if my garden ears are pretty okay, like you said you will report me to the police, and then reveal my real identity. Oh, for devil's sake. I bet you've never encountered a bad guy like me in your whole life. You only know me as Sagensa, but you're yet to know the depth of my name. Now listen up. I've got an ace of an advantage over you. Since you have decided to lose my respect for you, I'm going to reveal to them that you are the XYZ of this fraternity. And of course, you are our patron. I tell you something, Mr. Vixie. I don't put any exception to my reputation. I can slit my mother's throat for my personality. Imagine what I can do to you messing with me.
You must live to save my family. You must live. I've said it.
To save your family, sir, resign from your position. If you think you damn well love your family, kiss this office goodbye. Oh shit.
Hello. Hello?
It is past 10 a.m. You will find the body of your wife in the gate.
No, please, no, please, no.
There is no longer a group, but we are 12 with one fraternity who call themselves Red Kings. Well, it's funny to me, because I wonder who made them king. Where are you? Well, I want to say my dear. Virus, are you dead? Please enlighten the house based on the plan on the ground. Black Cats! Kingmakers! Black Cats! Kingmakers!
Like my executioner rightly said, we are at war. And we must fight.
Yes.
The red bastards have the temerity, the nerves, the infantry, the kidney to whip our executioners back to death.
Without minding how dangerous our venoms.
The Red Kings have sent so many of our men to afterlife.
Alele!
Without mercy. We've buried. We've mourned. We've cried over the loss of our dear ones. And I, for one, I said no! I do not want to bury any of our men anymore.
Yes.
It is their turn to bury and mourn, just like the way we've done. So as it stands now, anybody will lose guard. I will collect her.
That one we are ready. We are ready to kill!
Yes!
We are ready to kill.
That is the plan of ground. My executioner.
Black Cats, Kingmakers. Black Cats, Kingmakers.
I see. Singing the song of Hoja. Never you hang your legs in the face of death. Ratahu, Ratahu. It's the voice of the gods. The day shall come, and there will be no moon, no sun, and no earth for you to trample on. Tell me, what will you do that day to survive? What will you do? But brothers, I want to assure you that I, Point One, Skull, Red Kings, will forever be with you. I will always be with you. It's you. Tomorrow will be a remarkable day. Tomorrow will mark the end of the black ops in this campus. I want you all to live your today like there is no tomorrow. For when you survive tomorrow, we shall gather again. And all the glory shall be ours. We, the Almighty.
How did you get in here and what the hell are you doing in my office? If I were you, I wouldn't be asking such stupid questions. Now sit down. You and I are going to be having a very long chat. So I want you to relax. Stay calm, okay? Just look at you. Look at you. You are a VC of a very big institution. Big one. You're a very stupid man. You killed my aunt's husband.
killed him because you feel that once he's out of the way, you can have your way in his life. Surprised? But your stupidity made your family pay for it. And yet, you're not even moved. You still want to be the VC. To sit on this chair and feel like some important shit. The VC of an institution. Ain't you stupid? Now I want you to say sorry. Say sorry for killing my aunt's husband and her son.
I cannot say sorry for the crime I did not commit. I did not kill any man, nor his son. But you are the beast because you killed my family. And let me tell you, the blood of these people you have killed will come against you. And the law will catch up with you.
Seriously? You still believe in the law? Huh? Listen, Agnes is my aunt. And I don't know if you understand where I'm coming from. You killed the husband, you murdered him, so that he will make way for you to have the wife. And then you tried again, and yet you failed. And then you went ahead to kill the son, using the black cat's confrontation. Listen to me. You see, today is going to be a very big, memorable day. It's going to be a day that will never be forgotten in the history of this institution. Mark my words. A good thing is just a solution. For every problem lies a solution. The only thing that is going to stop the bloodshed that will flow in this campus today is you. I want you dead. You and your right-hand man, Silencer. Okay. Let me refresh this. Let me put it this way. I want you to resign as a VC of this great institution. And I want Silencer to graduate from this institution with immediate effect. As I speak to you now. But even with that, I still want you dead.
Excuse me, sir. Someone is outside there.
You, come on, sit down here. AK49 machine parade. Let the game begin. The war has already begun.
I have to come outside and join my brothers. I have a lot of action to do. Any blood that is spilled today is going to be on your head. And God will punish you.
I've never killed anyone. No one. No one. I've never killed anybody.
Like seriously? You're seriously saying that? Yes, every day you give orders for people to be killed. You make a call. And now, you sit down here and claim not to have killed anybody. You deceive yourself, not the people. Look at me. I have never, ever given an order for anybody to be killed before. You know why? Because I do it myself. I'm not a coward like you. And that's the difference between you and I. That is why I, the Almighty Caesar, of the Red Kings, I'm going to
a mother for my personality. I can slit my father's throat for my personality. Then Caesar, imagine what I can do to you. Imagine what I can do to you. Where are you?
Shit! I missed. I'm going to one there.
Silencer! 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 I made you a promise. I told you, dead or alive, you will graduate from this university. That's all. No. The day of reckoning has come. Today,
Oh, Caesar. Why don't you give me a better song than that? Now listen to me, brother. Even a trailer load of military men armed to the teeth enough force me out of the campus. Not to talk of you and your dogs.
What? You call the great red key? Your AK49.009 machine gun barrel and Caesar as a demon is mounted before you. I could know it on them. I could win it one net. I could win it one net. Hey! Tortoise! You tortoise, you! The foul tortoise!
not for blood! Fire for fire! Well, you don't see him now. You cannot do work. I have to iron no work. We'll try another level. I see.
It's okay. Book of Leviticus chapter 1 verse 1. For one leg. It's okay.
Wow. I we fear nobody.
We fear nobody. Red Buckets!
Rocket!
Rocket!
Keeps running. He keeps running. Go after the other guys. Keeps running. Silencer! Silencer! You keep running. For how long will you keep running? Give me the privilege of killing you. I have told you that you will graduate from this university, from this institution, dead or alive. Help me graduate, Silencer. Help me graduate. You're too old for the system. Leave her for Caesar. Silencer. Leave it for Caesar. Leave her for me.
Baba Sabi Rumba.
I am with the console. You don't palelo.
We don't run out of bullets.
You don't palelo now.
We don't run out of bullets.
And so,
Man, I drop on a whip and move to a man to man.
and so you talk out. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest. Where you there now?
Where is Safiaba?
This is AK49 009 machine gun Ferrara.
Constant die, want to on the chest and double in an off you.
I go where I want me. Great men have few words to speak. Now they tell you, but I didn't look my eye, go see my rocket so. I say, backers for you, now we they don't come. I go out for you, now we they not come. I want to know Popo to you, now we they not come. One day, they go see her. Pass out for you, now we they not come. Now we they see her.
Guys, as it is now, I want you all back to the hostel. Please remain indoor. No coming out, not until you hear from me. Okay? As you can see, we have lost so much of our men. I don't want to lose another. Please. Or how everywhere rough like this now, if you scamper, don't say you need backup to your country. Don't bother yourself. I can take care of myself. Okay? Beat it. That's okay. Now we dance.
Beat it. Beat it.
Beat it.
Like I was saying, the school has been shut down. And like, there's no point anybody hanging around. I feel you guys should just go see where as for me, like this, I would be bungee. Him and all his boys, for them all.
Well, I hear you. Score. But there's one reason why I took that oath. The reason why I gave my blood to be a Red King, a supreme Red King, is to watch your back. And the second reason why I became a strike chief is to see that anything that wants to as a fly, any shaking anywhere, come on, watch it down. Not at this time, but I'm going to leave you. I'm with you. We are together in this. I'm going nowhere, man. Flash, there's closed session, the closed semester, open semester. Are you on the hat?
AK49 machine palele. Escalation. Idea. Like this. I need to sell to Underland. I need to sell and make the selling to be sweet. You understand? Let's listen to our point.
Cross, wait. My Rogarity and your Rogarity are not the same. I'm a strike. That's why I'm AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. I go where I want me. The lion that has a brother. Agu Melese. The Agu in the spiritual world. The lion that lives amongst men but is not seen physically. Alaso ma akpaye. To buy madu, to dog madu, to follow madu is my principle. To bubu madu, to anakanaka madu is my culture. To see that madu is being porous every night and day. My religion. What are you telling me? Tina! 009 machine gun Perere. Feel my rugged soul.
Well, you know, see, at a time like this, when there is no time,
Yes.
if you check, you will see a cross here against more points.
You're my point one.
As it be so like this, me, I would just like make a day lonely small. I just lonely up. I need more privacy, make I just stay solo. I'll reason out how I want to strike this guy down. I won't just do it alone. You understand?
Let's go. Do you want to hear that one? I don't say one song. It's okay. But I say some now, you go to your crystal ball. You check on your Selena. You know everything now. But it is written, no, still no task, it has to be that. I don't belong. The matter they force us to Koyo. Ayagaya. Before we just try just and finish the matter.
Naomi,
It's you.
what a pleasant surprise.
Consider me as your mother. Please come home and see me this weekend. Are you done reading? She offended you. Mama is dying right there on the sick bed. All she wishes for is to see her son. Is that too much to ask? Are you going with me this weekend to the village?
Naomi, there's one thing I want you to get into your pretty head. There is no how I can forget my family. You know how much I love you. You're always at the forefront of my heart. I can never abandon my family. But you know something? I will come to see Mom, but it won't be this weekend.
Excuse upon excuse upon excuse. That's all what we keep hearing from you.
My hands are loaded.
Loaded with what? You're too busy to see your mother who's dying? Because as it is now, it looks like you're abandoning us just the way you did 20 years ago.
Now you don't understand.
Understand what, brother? What am I
I'm gonna kill. You won't be dragging me home. I'll come to home when I want to come home.
Your mother wants to see you.
I've just told you I'll come to see Mom. But at my own time. Oh, come on.
Now you're screaming at me.
No, Naomi, you don't understand. You don't understand. How can I know you. If I don't raise my voice, you won't let go. Okay? I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay? You're my best in the world. If I unveil what I am planning for you, if I unveil my plans for you, baby, you'll be laughing. Come on, put some smile on that pretty face. Stop looking like something the cat dragging, okay?
Only if you promise to go and see Mama with me this weekend.
There she go again.
Anyways, stay tuned. All I know is that I have passed the message I was asked to come and give to you. If you like, you heed to them. If you like, you don't. She's your mother and she's mine. So, it's your call. Anyways, what do you have in your kitchen? Because I'm so famished.
You should know I don't cook here.
And I'm hungry. So what do we do?
That is not a problem. What do you want to eat?
Food.
Name what you want to eat.
Rice and chicken would do.
That's not a problem. I can get you more than that. Just make yourself comfortable. Let me get you something. You'll be fine, okay? Now, try a little smile. Huh? You look like something the cat dragging you.
But I'm hungry. Give me food and I'll smile.
Representing the red. Where is your tortoise our brother? This is AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. I brought a message to you from the vulture. The Red King, supreme combatant. You don't want to comply? Since you don't want to comply, Dotti, says AK49.009 machine gun Pereira. It will better you lose a tortoise top foul brother than your pretty soul. Anyway, remember to tell him that AK49.009 machine gun Pereira visited end of the red king. Tries to dine and tries to mine, and tries again to make up 9. Good night, my new neighbor.
Naomi! Oh no, Naomi, talk to me. How can I carry on? Oh my God. How can I carry on? The sun in my world. The sun in my world. Naomi, talk to me. Oh my God. Naomi, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, Naomi. Oh my God! Where are you? Come right away. Come right away to my place. Don't ask me questions. Come over. Oh my God. That's what I see. I just came in from buying food for her. And this is what I made of my sister.
If you don't know who run this part of here now, you don't say now no Peter will ask questions where we already know the answer. No other person will run this thing.
The Red Kings. I know. Even if I'm a fool, I should be able to do that.
Execution like this will be. Huh?
Virus.
And like this will be.
Look me in the eyes. The August rain is due to fall, heavy enough to drown a duck. Let's give them what they want. War. That is what they want.
Rugged. This guy no take care of. I'm a nigga. What? Abe? Today not today. Wait, I'm far. Why this monster? Rugged. It's all a Selena matter. The matter is Selena matter. Selena matter. Selena. Left king, run down. Because I'm there, won't you on the chat? Because I'm there, will leave. And they understand, say me and I. Finally, when school resume, everybody in the campus will have peace. The Red King will remain the only flat in the campus.
I guess silence and still alive. Just watch your back. Because the brother must be up to violence.
But still dance. So that tortoise is your power. Okay, well. I'm chase am now. Chase am. I be from there. I be as I want. She's getting from the number 009.
She's like,
I go with it one day. The night I have the brother. I won't put it on the phone. Ah! Hey!
As this right now, we don't pursue her. We don't chase her.
Ajarasi.
We don't chase her.
Oh, the choco. The tea say na choco. If you see in head, you go the choco. And then the choco. The tea say na choco. If you show the attitude, the girl is son.
My God. All the time, question. Wow, tired for you. Come. Watch that thing very well, though. I don't understand why you are watching that thing as if you have not eaten. What's that? You look on me at all.
But I don't like the way you're asking me this kind of question. Abumatakili.
See who is talking. I'm not a child. Babe, I'm your elder brother. What is wrong with you?
Besides,
Watch that thing properly.
I have another question to ask you.
You're always asking questions. What is it this time?
When is your school resuming?
When is my school resuming? I don't know. I'm not with the reason why they closed the school at the first place. I don't know when we are. So sorry for your question.
Not for now. There's another question. Why is it that your school is always on strike?
It's not just my school. But you are so curious. When you get into university, you get to understand. But even at that, I'll give you one or two reasons why schools go on strike. First, confraternity clashes. What I mean by confraternity is cults. Different cults fight. They fight themselves for one or two reasons, thereby making the school close down. That is one. Secondly, when the welfare of the staff of the university are not taken care of properly, they
they want to go on strike, thereby making this and shut down. Because that answers your question, woman.
For now. Are you asking?
Use my phone. From what that as well.
Don't come and accuse me now. House. I'm service. Good afternoon, sir.
Doing some washing.
Yes, sir.
That is doing.
Okay. Yes. You just went into the closet. Oh, okay, yes, you can sit.
Okay.
Oh, there's no problem.
Jesus! What's your put don't hold up the back! Any false move and I'm pump bullet into her neck. You don't have to do this now. Listen. You want her life. You want her life. One condition. Please don't listen to me. Don't do this. Tell me how to kill Caesar. Caesar, give me the method.
Listen, you can kill me, please. She's my only sister. She's my only sister. Please don't do this.
1,
please.
2,
Teresa, don't do this.
Mama.
Oh! I wanted to say from Mom.
I'm so surprised with you. Eh? No information, just like that.
In school, we are doing kind of why not they kill somebody, all these bad boys. So I want everything to be calm before I go back to school. So just forget about those things. I want to eat it. I've been a long time.
This is payback day!
Mama! Mama! Teresa! Mama! 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 What am I doing to myself, Mommy? Don't do this to me. Mama! Mama!
Well done, sir. Good evening.
How are you, my son?
I'm fine, sir.
How may I help you?
I guess you're the father to AK49 machine gun Perere.
AK Perere.
But you do have a son, Charles, by name on campus.
Yes, Charles is my son.
He's in university. Did you see him today?
Okay, that's the message he gave me for you.
Oh, he sent a message to me?
Yeah.
Okay, how did he
This is AK49 Ah! Open your blood flows in me. I go with it one day. I go Melesse. Ababa. Yes, now I am ready. Ah, look at this. Oh, blood, I am ready. Anaka is my agenda. Killing man is my tradition. But my money is my culture. I will kill man. Blood for blood. Rocket. Blood for blood. Eye for eye.
I have sold some of my goods, some of my wrappers and the land, just to give you the best. As a mother, please. I don't want when you get to the university, you begin to join all those bad boys, all those good boys, please. Yes, because I have heard a lot of bad stories about university boys and girls. Please, I want you to be able. I want you to make me proud as your mother. Don't ever make me regret my sufferings towards you, please. I want you to wipe out my tears in my eyes. Please, my son, be a good boy.
Mama, you don't need to say all these things. You know I've been a good boy. I know the reason why I'm going to school. After my graduation, I will make sure by His grace, if I get a job, I will build a house for you. I will buy you a big car. I will buy you all these wrappers, all these things that you sold to make sure that I go to school. Wait, see. You know that all I ever wished is to make sure that I'm happy. I want to join bad boys. I've been since when I go to university to get knowledge that will help me in my life. See that time that I will decide to join bad guys when I don't do that in this village? After all the advice, after all the promises I made to my mother, this is how she ended up. Silencer killed my mother. Silencer came to my house and killed my mother. But I swear with the last drop of my blood,
pass and die. We'll kill any black cat in this world. Anywhere. Anytime. Any moment. Any place in this world I see black cats. Especially Silencer. I will kill Silencer. I will return with his head. I swear.
It's my fault. It's my fault he killed my sister. Silencer killed my sister because of me. Because I'm a military man. I promised my parents, my late parents, I was going to take care of my only sister. I was going to make sure she graduates from a federal university. Now she's dead because they wanted me. Silencer killed my sister! Black cats, wherever you are, you all should run! Run! Because I will kill and kill and kill.
I go that they feel on that pain and they feel that they touch me. People when get man who not get no be the same. And different hour than they holler. But you know that's the be. If I touch them, they go collect. No Martina. Collect.
Nothing I thought you. Nothing I thought you. It don't rain again. It don't rain again. AK49. Oh! This is AK49.009 machine gun. Abu one day. Yabu ni melese. Papa, akiba. Send him necessary furniture. Send him necessary furniture. Dirty. Yum. Great Rocky.
Dead.
As a rotten entity, as a rotten boyakoko, as a rotten patapata, roganity is my identity.
No ma.
Because I have the ability to sustain any calamity.
No ma.
With my overlapping morale.
No ma.
Hey! But it is one thing that I say. I go to go mad. See. Naka is my agenda.
It's normal.
Shooting mad is my principle.
Normal.
Cutting mad.
Normal.
It's my tradition. But mad is my religion.
Normal.
Before my very eyes. Rugged is in my liver. Are you not feeling my rugged soul?
I'm feeling your rugged soul.
The eggs of the crocodiles have been burst, and the pearls from those eggs have stained the eyes of the beautiful man.
People tonight, voice out.
Hey!
Voice out.
What did I kill you? I say, Mommy, what I know now? Abanje, no! Abanje see wire. Abanje see wire. See. Fokoro I. My papa. My pop's in London. My papa Saka. My old papa in Kenya. Where I call daddy. Papa. Oh. You know that in just sleep. But the blood is a cry from the ground. Listen to me. See. If Anaka can my agenda, there's nothing about him. But if that doesn't remember the day I swore that oath. No, that's wrong. I said, if only everything. Where is Alasa? Oh, not the one. Oh, the good of what I did. Yeah. See, I don't care. Will you believe me? I don't care. See, you don't understand me. About me, don't understand me. About me, see. I was that bastard, he owed Ajina, Chikamana collect. Listen to me. If you come out here now, we must carry a score.
No, ma.
But then a small picking, anyone will jump. See, anyone will jump.
Go collect. Go collect.
I will come. I want them to hear my story. I want people to hear my story. We go to Gumadu till we die. Echo, I want people to hear my story. I want people to hear my story. I don't believe I'm not ready. I want people to hear my story. We got money till we die. My story. I wanted to hear my story. I wanted to hear my story. I want to hear. This is AK49. 009 machine gun parada. Okay. Okay. My God. family. Before the time of sun, and before the time of nightfall, let your soul go far away.
Do me a favor. Speak. Do me a favor. Find a place in your heart. Do what? And do me a favor. A minute before I die, please take my message to Caesar. Tell Caesar I am dead. Falco, tell him I am not going to rest in peace. Of course. Because all my existence in the land of the dead, I'm going to hunt all them that have hand in my death. I shall hunt you down, and that includes you. AK49, the man machine gun Aforevo. The Son of Man shall resurrect in a mysterious way.
I swear to God, I swear to the devil, I swear to the demons, if you come back again, you'll be like a fly.
Yes, for you.
You will get leg again.
Yellow man.
A fly in the fly.
Yellow man.
Come on, run this boss on this side. Make sure his head is face down. Let his head face down. Face.
Face.
Face his head down. Bring his head down.
Face.
Let his head face down.
Face. I got it. Come on,
space out. Space out. Make a wire out. Come on, Emo! Focus on what you found on the grave. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on!
Thank you.